I'm gonna actually go in and try some of this in your hair. Look at that. So you work in sections, don't you?
I do, yeah.
And do you have a clip that you use?
I do. Yeah, those like little metal ones. Because my hair's so thick.
So each section I'm doing, I'm not gonna comb through it.
I know, I like how you pulled it out.
Yeah, you have beautiful thick hair. I've seen it straightened, but I like that you embrace your natural curls.
I know, it smells good.
Yeah, it's like a vanilla.
And it's not too like overwhelming.
I love it.
Me too.
And I like that it's a little open on the side. I gave you
Yeah, a little side part.
boom. Mwah. Thanks, guys. Thank you, everyone. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.